Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today I was going to digitize a applique design of the Christmas trees. You might have seen them around, three Christmas trees and stuff like that. So we are going to get this started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to um, actually come up here, and I am going to select the uh, large frame for my 6 needle. So here it is, and let's go ahead and import an image so I know exactly where I want it or where it's at. So give me a second. So this is the image that we're going to kind of do, and we're not going to do it exactly like this, but we're going to make kind of like a rough outline. So what we're going to do is we will start right here and come down, and I'm just zooming in so I can get it fairly accurate here. And we're just going to work on over. We're not putting any of the balls or anything on here because you would mix, like, some plaids and solids and different kinds of fabrics in here. Buffalo plaid would be good, either black and white or the red and black. Just anything, just have a little fun. And we're just going to come up here. We'll be done in a moment. Okay, so right now we actually do not need the image anymore. And let's go ahead and get our hoop size back the way I had it. Sometimes when you bring it in, it changes the size, and I don't necessarily like it, but it's just one of those things. Okay, so here we have it, and we might not want this one quite so large, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this. This is going to be the actual fabric placement line, and I copied and pasted it, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the color of the second one to be like winter pine or something. Whatever color, just make sure that your machine stops or you stop when it goes to do this. And then this one we're actually going to make it a redwork stitch, and this is going to be one of those kind of raggedy ones where you do kind of like a rough cut, and then after it washes you'll get a little bit of fray in the fabric and stuff, and that's seems to be a kind of popular thing right now. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to group these into one, and I may need to like make it a little bit smaller here. So we're going to do this one, and we're going to copy it and paste it and bring it over here. And we're actually, both of them we're going to center vertically. And you do that by doing transform and center vertically. Okay, and we are going to paste one more in. And this one is going to be in the center, and we're going to make him a little bit larger, so that when you stitch it out, you'll have one on this side, one on this side, and then the center one who is just a little bit larger. And let's select him again. and center vertically. So we can even get a little bit bigger than that. So that way, when you stitch it out, it'll be like some of the trendy shirts that you see, or pillows, or whatever, that has the three pine trees where they're all kind of like rough cut and everything. But this is just a quick way to do that in Embird. Hope you have fun and create lots of great projects for the holidays. And that's a wrap on this video. We will talk to you later. Bye.